My name is Emadago Ogihenekeviwe Wiiliyaam. I am 23 years old and I am from Jos, Nigeria. I am the CEO and co-founder of Valley Bee. I and my team applied to the 2022 Africa Digital Innovation Competition because we saw the massive impact it will have in our product. We saw financial opportunity, the mentorship, and also the strategic partnership we can get from being part of this competition. Being one of the top 10 finalists in this competition means a lot to me personally and also to our startup, because this would give us the opportunity to showcase our work and our technology to the world. This would have a massive impact on the climate and also on local beekeepers. Our product is a smart hive that is IoT enabled and sensor enabled that constantly maintains the optimal temperature and humidity that bee needs to produce honey. With our product, farmers can increase their honey yield and actually have a great impact on their local family and also to the environment. Our project will have tremendous impact in the life of local farmers and beekeepers here in Nigeria and also in Africa, because we are producing a product that will help them increase their honey yield and also maximize their profits. And as a country like Nigeria imports over $2 billion worth of honey per year, we are empowering these farmers to cash in this market and also make the maximum of profit. Our project also have impact in the pharmaceutical and medical industry, in that honey is a very important raw material for drug production. The first thing we'll do if we win this competition is to acquire more equipment and raw material to expand our business to 2 more states in Nigeria, Kaduna and Nasarawa states.